Muhammad from Pakistan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you doing, Sheikh?
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
So, Sheikh, if water drops fall on a bathroom floor that is impure, and then tiny splashes from that wet floor reach a person's buttocks without while he is sitting on a eastern toilet and can't see his back, is that area considered impure? And if
Can you
someone later
swear?
washes,
Can you swear by Allah that it is najasa on your back? Yes or no?
how can I swear if I am not sure?
If you're not sure, then the default is it's pure. Alhamdulillah, the religion is so easy. Because if we open the door for whispers and doubts, we would doubt everything around us. If you cannot prove it, then it doesn't exist. Take this as a default. The doubt itself cannot remove the default, which is everything here is pure until proven otherwise. Maybe this pen is not pure. Why? Maybe the sheikh before me who was writing with it did not wash his hands after answering the call of nature. This is too much. Okay, it's a fact, it can be. But do I have any proof? I look, no traces of feces. I smell, that's weird, but I lick for the taste. What is this? As long as there is no proof, then the default, it is pure. The moment you open a can of worms and the worms come out, you only have yourself to blame. Imagine one drop falls on an impure floor. Why did you have the floor impure to begin with? Oh, it's a toilet, Sheikh. Even if it's a toilet, when I come and use it, wash the floor so that everything is pure in front of you, hypothetically. This drop has splashes. Whoa, what am I, dropping bombs? I'm dropping rocks? It's a drop. How could it have splashes? And the splashes would go to my back. And now I am doubtful if it's najis or not. Can I prove? No. Then the default, it is pure.